Okay, welcome to my kitchen. It's Michelle from Let's Talk About It. Now, I have never used YouTube on my phone, so I sure hope I'm doing it right. Okay, oh, I don't even have my glasses. Help me. So, my daughter's going to be filming me as I make the green juice. So, the ingredients are quite simple. One orange. I'm about to get fresh juiced orange. One banana, I already sliced it. Soya milk, water, and fresh spinach. Now, just ignore the background noise and let me just get the oranges juiced. Okay. Just on the orange, please, not on the so. Now, the invention of a juicer is really a good thing because then we get everything out of the orange. Okay, that's done. Let me get a spoon. The closest one is a little one. Now, my hands are clean. Of course, I could have just used my fingers. So let's see. I need 1 cup, which I'm going to put in my blender. I'll do my cleaning up after, of course. Let's see if this is 1 cup. Here's my measuring cup. So that's 1 orange. In any event, I don't think it has to be 1 cup of orange juice, but let's see. I don't have my glasses. Is that 1?
No, what is here?
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, well, we're going to fudge it anyway. So we'll have the freshly squeezed orange juice for sure. 1 cup of water. Let's see. Is that 1 cup?
This somewhere. Wait, let me see. A little bit more.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine. You know, the key is, people, when you're making a drink, it doesn't have to be precise. At least you get the most of it. That's how I'm doing it. It's not an exact science. What is important is just taking action. Okay, now I love soy milk. So for sure, I'm gonna make sure I measure 1 cup of this one. Is it 1 cup?
That is right.
Okay. Okay, so we have 1 cup. Got our soy milk in. And now we're gonna get things ready on this side. Add our bananas. Now there's no sugar needed because the fruits, the orange and the banana, have natural sugar. Now the spinach, I love a fresh spinach salad. I think I only had spinach in a drink once, not too often, because I like to eat the salad. Now, I don't have a food processor, so as you can see, you don't need to go out of your way to get one. Just use a regular blender. Just push it in there a little bit. And we're about to see the transformation from white to green. Here goes, folks. Cover your ears. Well, it would help if we plug it in, right? Okay. See, I'm only human. Here goes. Now let's try this again. Plugged in. Ingredients are in. 1 orange, 1 cup soy milk, 1 cup water, a handful of spinach. I put a little bit more because I like spinach. Plus I like the color green. out. I don't want to have to eat any specks. Now if you look, see? One leaf didn't quite got taken care of. Let me taste it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hang on. Let me get that one leaf taken care of. Okay, so that should do it. Now, instead of a spoonful, we are going to do a glassful. Now, I think this glass is not a cup, it's probably a quarter cup, but I just like it because it's sexy. A sexy glass, not too much to drink. I feel comfortable drinking 2 of these than one big old fat glass. Now, let's see how it is. Oh my God, it is fabulous. It's just the right texture. It's not sweet. You don't even taste the spinach, and I thought I had too much spinach. And I think it's fabulous. So, therefore, folks, that's my green drink. Now, I'm going to be having my green drink from here on out as a part of my daily routine. So, that's it. I would love to see you, but I don't have my glasses, so let me have my daughter get my glasses and then I'll flip the camera around. So this one drink should last, I'm going to guess, just for today, like a drink in the morning and a drink in the evening, and you should be good to go. And the green drink, it's an energy drink. So I think I got cut off on my other video. So I'm trying to, let's see if I can piece them together. But I will put the description of the green juice in the description box, and give it a shot, guys. It doesn't take too many ingredients, and you can use either soy milk, which is better for women, or almond milk, which is better for men, and see if it's the energy booster that it's known to be. Have a wonderful day. Bye.